Apple painting on watercolor paper. First of all, that light is kind of weird. Gives you like 6 shadows under the apple. So I'm gonna get a single light. Try to set up my still lifes better. So step one here, we're just gonna block in basic shapes and forms, and you plot it up a little. Okay, it gets a shadow in there. Should have let it dry before I did that, but did not. I'm in a hurry. Put a background color. That always helps to lend depth to the subject. Now trying to do where the stem connects. I did paint the shadow of the stem before the stem, and some fine lines that I only recently noticed are on apples that definitely demonstrate the contour of the apple. This is a very challenging stage where you really want the front of the apple to look like the front, the back to the back, and the middle to the middle. And so there's a representation of the light, and now I'm doing the stem. First I painted green, and then I hit it with some black just to give it a little contrast, fix up the shadow a little bit. And oh, there it is. Looks half decent. There's watercolor paper, as opposed to yesterday's apple was on sketch paper, and I guess that this one is better.